So one of the best things about the HumpBack 3000 is that you can detach the motor and take it anywhere you want to use it. It simply detaches, and I'll show you that a little bit later because we're going to go do the sidewalk in the front of the house. But you would need to detach a couple of things, and so it'd be doing another project. What we're working on right now is washing the car. Let me show you what it's got. It's got the gun with a lance. You've got your tip options. Of course, they allow you to rinse the hose, get a tighter, wider 40 degree or 25 degree sprayer on it. You also have a foam gun, which we're gonna use to wash the car. Everything you need in a compact unit that all comes out of the box ready to go. All right, so let's get this thing rolling. First, we're gonna start with the spray gun and lance. We got a little quick connect action. Boom, bang, look how easy that was. And now we're gonna start with a 25 degree tip, and again, quick connect, making it super easy. All right, so let's get out there. Always remember to grab hoses by the bend restrictor. That keeps everything nice and tidy. Now watch how easy this rolls out of the retractable reel. And then it comes in our wheel position. So what's so great about this hose is how lightweight and flexible it is. And I'll show you when we turn the water on why that makes a difference. Real simple. Turn the water on and turn the motor on. And that's it. Let's wash this car. We're gonna rinse it first. One of the things that you'll notice is I'm not having to yank this hose around. It's so lightweight, and that's how Bluebird Industries has had so much success in this market, because the hoses are best in class. It's making this job so easy. And look at the pressure. Even though I'm just rinsing it down and getting it wet, preparing to foam wash it, it's knocking off most of the dirt already with the high pressure. Look at the dirt coming off the tires. All right, now let's go get the foam cannon. Okay, the foam cannon attaches directly to the lance, and remember we offer that quick connect. So let's make sure it's on properly. All right, and this is gonna make the foaming so simple. Check this out, this is great. Look at that. It's so easy, and I'm getting every side. When I was a kid, my brother and I used to argue about the best way to wash a car, and the best way was from the top down. And look how easy this is. You know how long this takes when you're using buckets of water? That's it. How long did that take? It took me, what, a minute and a half, 2 minutes to rinse it all off. I was talking a lot, yapping, so it probably took a little bit longer, but the foaming's done. That only took a couple of minutes, and look how thoroughly, look at that foam job. Okay. And to have this product in the garage, right? Or even on the outside of the garage is a no-brainer. All right, now I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing. Sure, you can rinse your car off, right? You can foam it up with a foam cannon, and you can soak it, but can the HumpBack 3000 knock out tire tracks on the driveway and pressure wash this driveway clean and get those things off? Well, let's find out. Now we're gonna need to change the tips. And I happen to have the 15 degree in my pocket. So I'm gonna swap this out, put that back in, pop the 15 degree in, little safety spray, and we're good to go. And let's see what happens. It's coming right off. Look at that. So we see that there's nothing that the HumpBack 3000 cannot do. It's going to be able to clean the cars. It's going to help you with auto detailing. It's going to be able to knock everything off the driveway and the sidewalks and clean the dirt and the grime and the mold off the sides of your house. For the do-it-yourselfer, for the homeowner, for the auto detailer, this product, the HumpBack 3000, is going to be a dream come true. Now we have 2,000 of these units headed to the United States, and we've already pre-sold 1,700 just by showing the prototypes to people. This is a great product, and quite frankly, I can't wait to sell it. This is Ken Aber, the VP of Bluebird Industries, saying thanks for watching and take care.